the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in forever, it feels like. It's been 2-3 months now. I know I wanted to be consistent, but I just couldn't. Like, I ordered all these mods and they just took forever to come in. Everything is back ordered for my car and it sucks. Like, I ordered suspension for my car. It's gonna take another month, maybe month and a half for that to come in. I ordered like a carbon fiber lip, you know, still haven't heard from them. I ordered a carbon diffuser. I did get that, but it's like I recorded it and it was like a 2-3 minute video and I just couldn't upload that by itself. I felt like, you know, it just wasn't good enough just to be a video on its own. I ordered a custom steering wheel from AZA and that came in today, so I'm super excited about that. And yeah, so finally I have 2 things to show you guys in this video, so I'm pretty excited about that. First things first, I'm gonna show you guys the clip of me getting the diffuser installed, so let's cut to that. Bro, the fitment is amazing, bro. This looks so good. Hey man, thank you so much. Hell yeah. Bro, this looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to show this to Moaz. This is gonna look so sick. Guys, so that was the diffuser install. Shout out to ABS Auto Body hooking it up with the diffuser. Looks amazing. Like, my whole rear end, crazy. It looks super freaking good. They even installed it for me. That diffuser just changed the whole look of my rear end. But enough of that. I need to show you guys this steering wheel from AZA Auto Wheel. Like, when I got this in the mail, like, I got the notification on my phone. I was like half asleep and I was like barely like awake. Opened up my phone and saw it delivered from like the Shopify or like shop app, whatever it's called. I ran downstairs, took it out, bro. Oh my god, shout out to AZA. Let me show it to you guys real quick. Crazy. It has the cover on right now, if it would focus. AZA Auto Wheel. Crazy, bro. It even sent me a wallet with like a bunch of business cards. Like, shout out to AZA. Like, oh my god, let me just show it to you guys. So in like 3, 2, 1, boom. This wheel is just everything. Shout out to AZA, bro. Big shout out to AZA. This wheel, perfect. Like, literally everything I asked for, they gave it to me. Crazy. I didn't even think it would come out like this. It just, man, I'm just looking at the wheel right now. I can't even talk. This wheel, perfect. Literally perfect. Shout out to AZA, shout out to ABS Auto Body. AZA for the steering wheel, of course, and ABS Auto Body for the diffuser. I'm super excited, bro. My car is coming in. Like, it's just like the best feeling when, like, you know, I bought my car stock and, you know, obviously it looks good stock, but like when I see like something and I want to do it and it's finally happening, my car is coming in together, bro. It looks super good. Yeah, huge shout out to them, bro. Crazy. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be posting way more often now, so stay tuned for that. I have other mods coming in Just, you know, I have to wait, be patient. They'll come in soon. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.